Today, we're diving deep into the upcoming Samsung Galaxy Unpacked event on July 10th. The star of the show is expected to be the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's latest foldable phone. But is it really the best Samsung has to offer this year? Let's break down some rumors and see why the Z Fold 6 might not be the ultimate camera king. While the Z Fold 6 is shaping up to be a powerhouse phone, leaks suggest it won't bring many changes compared to the Z Fold 5. That means when it comes to cameras, the Z Fold 6 might fall short of its non-folding sibling, the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Here's the kicker. The Z Fold 6 is rumored to have the same camera setup as the Z Fold 5. This means it misses out on one of the coolest features of the S24 Ultra, the ability to capture stunning 5x zoom portraits. The S24 Ultra boasts a game-changing camera upgrade, a 50-megapixel 5x telephoto lens. This replaces the older 10-megapixel 10x telephoto lens. This switch unlocks a whole new world of photographic possibilities. One of the biggest advantages, 5x zoom portraits. With the S24 Ultra, you can capture professional-looking portraits with beautiful background blur, even at a distance. This is perfect for capturing photos of wildlife or anyone who might get spooked if you get too close. Think majestic birds, curious squirrels, or even your skittish feline friend. Let's be clear, the S24 Ultra's camera prowess goes beyond just 5x portraits. It's likely the overall camera system on the S24 Ultra will outperform the Z Fold 6. If you prioritize having the most versatile and powerful camera setup on your phone, the S24 Ultra is the way to go. So if you're waiting for the Z Fold 6 or the rumored Z Fold 6 Ultra just for the camera, you might be disappointed. There's no confirmation yet that the foldables will match the S24 Ultra's camera capabilities. The choice is clear. If you crave the cutting-edge camera features like 5x zoom portraits, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is the winner. Sure, it doesn't fold, but it delivers exceptional camera performance at a potentially more attractive price point compared to the upcoming foldables. That said, the Z Fold 6 might still be a fantastic phone with other strengths. But when it comes to cameras, the S24 Ultra seems to be the champion. What are your thoughts? Do you prioritize camera features or the foldable form factor? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech news and reviews. Today, we are diving into the latest buzz surrounding the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. Buckle up, because this phone is shaping up to be a true game changer in the world of smartphones. Let's get into the juicy details. First off, Samsung seems laser focused on making the S25 Ultra the king of smartphones in 2025. The company appears to be using a two-pronged attack to achieve this, a monstrous camera system and mind-blowing performance upgrades. Let's start with the camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is expected to stick with its familiar quad-camera setup, but with some serious enhancements. The main sensor will likely boast a hopping 200 megapixels, matching the S24 Ultra but optimized for the S25 Ultra's specific hardware thanks to the new Snapdragon Agent 4 camera ISP. But that's not all. We're also looking at a 5x optical zoom lens with a 50 megapixel sensor, a brand new 3x optical zoom lens, also with a 50 megapixel sensor, and an ultra-wide angle lens getting a bump to 50 megapixels as well. These upgrades, particularly for the 3x zoom and ultra-wide sensors, are long overdue and promise to significantly elevate mobile photography. Now let's talk about performance. One of the most exciting rumors is the reintroduction of a fan-favorite feature, a 16GB RAM option. And not just any RAM, but the industry-first LPDDR5X RAM, capable of speeds up to a staggering 10.7 GePs. This translates to unparalleled performance for on-device AI, demanding tasks like cloud gaming, and much more. When you combine this insane RAM with the power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 processor, the S25 Ultra has the potential to be the absolute performance leader in the smartphone world. Speaking of the Agent 4, another reliable leak suggests it'll house the most powerful GPU ever seen in a smartphone. Benchmarks show prototypes running Genshin Impact at a smooth 1080 resolution and 60 FPS. A dream for mobile gamers. Currently, this popular game is capped at 720 on most phones, and maintaining a consistent 60 FPS is a struggle. Of course, with great power comes a potentially higher price tag. Rumors suggest the Snapdragon Agent 4 chip could inflate the price of the entire S25 series compared to its predecessor. Qualcomm has reportedly increased the cost of the Agent 4 significantly compared to the Agent 3. This leaves Samsung with a tough choice. Raise prices across the board, or potentially use the Exynos 2500 processor for the S25 and S25 Plus, reserving the mighty Agent 4 exclusively for the S25 Ultra. The Agent 4 itself is a whole new beast. Built from the ground up using Qualcomm's Super Orion cores previously seen in their laptops, this chip has the potential to give the Galaxy S25 Ultra performance that rivals some Apple M series laptops. But wait, there's more. We also have hot rumors about the Galaxy S25 Ultra being equipped with the next generation of storage, UFS 4.1. Universal Flash Storage, or UFS, determines how fast your phone can access and store data. The latest and greatest version is UFS 4.0, which powers many current flagships, including the Galaxy S24. But the future is calling, and whispers suggest the Galaxy S25 Ultra might be the first to sport UFS 4.1. While UFS 5.0 is expected around 2027, UFS 4.1 steps in as a minor yet significant upgrade. It's not a mind-blowing jump in raw numbers, but it's targeted to enhance specific areas like on-device AI features. Faster read and write speeds with UFS 4.1 will allow the phone to access data needed by AI algorithms much quicker, translating to smoother performance for features like scene optimization in your camera app, real-time language translation, and other background AI functions. So, what does this all mean? The Galaxy S25 Ultra, if equipped with UFS 4.1, is shaping up to be a powerhouse for AI enthusiasts. Faster data access, improved multitasking, and potential battery life improvements. That's a recipe for a future-proof phone ready to tackle demanding tasks. Of course, this is all based on rumors for now, but one thing's for sure, the future of smartphones looks increasingly intertwined with the power of AI, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, with its potential UFS 4.1 upgrade, might just be at the forefront of that exciting evolution. So there you have it. What are your thoughts on the upcoming S25 Ultra? Are the camera upgrades exciting you? Can't wait for the return of 16 gigabytes RAM? Or is the potential power of the Snapdragon Agent 4 blowing your mind? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, goodbye.